Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful bird in a cage. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First, let's sketch the cage. Draw a large oval or circle at the top of your page to form the dome of the cage. Then extend two vertical lines downward from the side of the oval. This will be the side of the cage. Next, connect the bottom of the vertical lines with a slightly curved lines to create the base of the cage. This add a nice three-dimensional effect. Now let's add the bars. Draw evenly spaced vertical lines from the top dome of the base. Make sure they follow the curves of the dome. Finally, draw horizontal lines connecting the vertical bars, creating a grid pattern for the cage. Now, let's draw our birds. Start by drawing an oval shape for the bird's body. Place, the, place this oval toward the lower half of the cage but not touching the bottom. Then draw a smaller circle on top of the body for the head, overlapping slightly. Add a small triangle on the head for the beak pointing outward. Extend a few lines from the bottom of the body to form the tail features. Next, draw a curved line from the top of the body to the side for the wing. Add feather detail with a small curved line. Lastly, draw two thin lines from the bottom of the body for the legs, connecting them to a horizontal bar in the cage, creating a perch. Let's add some details to bring our drawing to life. Start by detailing the bird with eyes, feather, and texture on the wings and tails. Use small circles for the eyes. Enhance the cage by adding a decor latch or decorative element on the top and bottom. Add shading to give depth. Use lighter stroke where there is more light and darker stroke for shadows. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines used to shape the birds and the cage. And there you have it, a beautifully drawing of a bird in a cage. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for more fun videos drawing. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.